This video will give you a comprehensive understanding of the RHIKNOWBOT user interface. How to open the RHIKNOWBOT UI. Enter RHIKNOWBOT in the command line to open the RHIKNOWBOT UI. You can click the left mouse button to skip the loading animation. Hold down the left mouse button to drag the window. Various functional modules of RHIKNOWBOT are classified, and they can be activated by clicking on the related button. Click the left mouse button on the button to expand its operation interface. Right-click the button to view the tips on how to use its function. Click RHIKNOWBOT on the title bar to collapse the function page. Click the text on the bottom bar to open the official website of RHIKNOWBOT. Click the red triangular symbol in the lower right corner to switch between normal mode and AI mode. For details of AI functions, please contact the customer service. Let's talk a bit about the types of UI button of the system. Button can be activated by clicking it. Most of the controls in the RHIKNOWBOT UI are such buttons. You can perform a certain operation or switch UI pages by clicking the button. Sometimes button is used in conjunction with checkboxes. Checking the checkbox can switch executed mode of the function. Radio button. Radio buttons provide users with a set of mutually exclusive options. Slider. Slider allows users to drag the slider bar to change the value. Clicking the numbers below the slider bar can change the upper and lower limits of the slider bar. Combo box. Users can click the combo box menu and select from the predefined list options. Color panel. Clicking the color panel can pop up the color settings window. Users can set colors in the color settings window. Text box. The text box component is used to receive text information input by the user. The text box component is often used to set the value of a certain parameter. Collective control. The collective control is composed of three parts: the page arrow, the icon, and the execution button. Clicking the page arrow to switch in between different options of functional settings. Clicking the icon can open the property panel for further modifications. Clicking the execution button to execute the current selected settings. This is the end of user interface introduction. Thank you for watching.